So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to apply for employment at McDonald's. So first of all, you'll need to open up the McDonald's app. You can see at the bottom home, deals, ordered, McDelivery and more. So you can click on the more part of the page straight away and you will need to log into your account since it's going to be easier to apply for employment once you're logged in. On there you can see region language, help support, about, McDonald's terms and conditions, FAQs, and many more options. Now on here, what I suggest you do straight away is to open up the restaurant map. And if you find a restaurant that's hiring, so open this, for example, click on view details, and you can see some of the details on the contact information on there and call them up. Ask if they are interested in hiring. You can also go ahead and open up the McDonald's web search and type in employment, and they will give you on here restaurant or corporate careers. And you can see here restaurant jobs, and you can see underneath corporate careers. So you can choose through here. You can even become a franchise about this, and you can on there go ahead and choose restaurant jobs, and they will give you some of the type of search, so what you're looking for exactly. And after that, you will need to put in a zip code or city or state and then search and see if there are any results for finding you employment within McDonald's. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos about McDonald's or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next video. Bye.